Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding 2 Minute. Basically here I am going to introduce you like what is cloud, like hands-on projects on cloud. Basically Qwiklabs is a platform where we can easily learn and implement cloud-based technical things. So we can learn how cloud work, how we can activate our instance and other cloud services like Azure and in AWS and Google GCP. So in this channel we are going to introduce this. Basically it is my first video, so I'm going to just tell you like what we are going to do in future. If you want to learn like Qwiklab, then simply search Qwiklab on Google, and after that you need to sign in with your Google account. After that you will reach on this platform where you can easily interact with few coding labs, which is either in uh, a 30 minutes lab or 1 hour labs, etc. So that's it. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and hit like and subscribe for this YouTube channel. Thank you.